First day of the month and a record high for the S&P 500. As expected, the market reaction to G20 and those talks over the weekend has been strong, not just here, but overseas as well. The Shanghai Composite closing higher by over 2%. Europe is up as well. And then there's those trade-related names with heavy exposure to China, all rallying in early trade. Industrial names like Caterpillar and Deere, large-cap China tech names, Alibaba up over 4%. And then chip makers, Broadcom, Qualcomm, higher after concessions were made to U.S. companies that trade with Huawei. Take a look at Broadcom, up over 5%. But remember, we have seen this story before. The S&P 500 got a 1% pop the day after G20 talks in Argentina took place back in December of 2018. That rally, as you can see, did not hold. S&P 500 losing about 8% that month. And then there's the debate over valuation. The S&P 500 has now gained about 18% this year and is already trading over 19 times trailing earnings, which is well over its historical average of about 15 times. So a lot of things to take into account. One sector that is leading us higher today is energy. That 3% jump in oil prices we're seeing today ahead of that OPEC decision, some headlines on Iran helping the energy sector. Although keep in mind the S&P energy sector is still trading about 17% below its 52-week high. A number of safe haven related trades. If we look at gold, the Japanese yen, the 10-year yield, all sort of unwinding today. Even utilities, the only sector in the red as we kick off a new quarter. And keep in mind, gold did gain about 8% in the month of June. What to watch for July? Trade, the devil will be in the details as the U.S.-China trade talks continue. Earnings season kicks off in 2 weeks, July 15th. That's when a number of the major banks report. And then on the run-up to the Fed two-day policy meeting on July 30th. Speaking of that, ISM manufacturing jam due at 9:45 a.m.